National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County, southern Delaware County, northwestern Henry County until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Anderson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anderson, New Castle, Chesterfield, Edgewood, Daleville, Sulphur Springs, Mount Summit, Springport, Country Club Heights, Woodlawn Heights, River Forest, and Prairie Creek Reservoir. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 225 and 235. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, and Madison. Taking a look at that